difference between capitalism and cooperation. Capitalism, profit motive, cooperation, service motive. Capital is a master in capitalism. Capital is a servant in cooperation. Business without morality is capitalism. Cooperation is morality applied to business. Capitalism accumulate wealth. Cooperation distribute wealth. Capitalism selfishness. Cooperation humanity. Capitalism power is centralized. Cooperation power is decentralized. Similarity between capitalism and cooperation, individual freedom. Difference between socialism and capitalism. Socialism, state-owned. Capitalism, not owned by state. Socialism, restrict individual freedom. Capitalism, welcome individual freedom. Socialism, centralized planning. Capitalism, self-sufficient and decentralized. Socialism, not maximum utilization of resources. Capitalism, maximum utilization of resources. Difference between communism and cooperation. Communism, compulsion and force. Cooperation, all kind of freedom.